Welcome to this hour of GHRCE News Desk, December 2022. Here are a few headlines. IIC Rankings announced. GHRCE receives the prestigious Engineering and Education Excellence Award. AICTE-IDEA LAB to be set up at GHRCE. Parents meet held by first year's department and National Unity Day celebrated by NSS Cell. Now, the news in detail. Institutions Innovation Council for 2021-2022, that is GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur, has established Institutes Innovation Council by AICTE, Minister of Education, Government of India since 2018. GHRCE IIC has rated with highest star rating from last 3 years. This year also, Ministry of Education have released rating for IICs on 18th November 2022 by the hands of Honorable Minister of State Dr. Subhash Sarkar. GHRCE IIC has awarded with the highest star rating of 4 star. Only 4 institutes from WRO region could achieve this. GHRCE IIC has been involved in many initiatives like organizing Toycathon, Smart India Hackathon, IIC Regional Meet, Mentor-Mentee Program, etc. GHRCE receives the prestigious Engineering and Education Excellence Award. GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur is a recipient of prestigious Engineering Educational Excellence Award 2022 for outstanding performance with a high order of educational excellence. This award will be presented on 16th December 2022 on the occasion of the 37th Indian Engineering Congress to be organized by the Institution of Engineers. After the declaration of result, Dr. Sachin Antavle, Director GHRCE, congratulated all the faculties at GHRCE. Moving on to the next news, we have AICTE-IDEA LAB to be set up at GHRCE Nagpur, and this has been recommended by the AICTE-IDEA LAB to be established with certain stipulations and in self-finance mode. The offer letter for the scheme was received on 1st December 2022. After the declaration of result, Dr. Sachin Antavle, Director GHRCE, congratulated the coordinators of the scheme, Dr. Santosh Jaju and Dr. Dinesh Padole, and all other faculties at GHRCE. Prarambha at GHRCE orientation program for newly inducted first year students happened. GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur has organized the orientation program Prarambh for first year students and their parents on 26 November 2022 with a gathering of more than 600 parents. Dr. Bhavna Bhute, Dean First Year, in her welcome address apprised the gathering about the best practices adopted for journey of joyful learning at GHRCE. She also briefed about various activities conducted during students' induction program, which included various workshops such as emotional quotient, web page designing using HTML, 3D printing, universal human values, PCB making, mindfulness, etc. and guest lectures on renewable energy sources, nano satellite program at GHRCE, etc. Besides visits to various labs and centers of excellence on campus, the registrar of the institute, Dr. Sanjay Dorle, explained about various scholarship, freeship, EBC schemes and eligibility criteria applicable to the CAP admitted students. The Dean Academics, Dr. Milind Khanapurkar, in his presentation elaborated the features of academic schemes like CBCS, CTS, 6 months mandatory internship, skill workshops, general proficiency courses, awards and prizes. He informed the students about the academic reforms and significant features of new schemes and curriculum. The Dean of Research and Development, Dr. Santosh Jaju, in his presentation explained to students about various supportive schemes offered by the institute to nurture their research potentials. The director of the institution, Dr. Sachin Antavle, has enlightened the August House about the various initiatives taken by GHRCE to nurture innovation among students and availability of numerous opportunities for holistic development of students. He has edified the audience about the support system that the college provides in every walk of their college life, like that GHRCE Technology Business Incubator Foundation for Business Startups, National Hackathons for Technical Talent Exposure, National Service Scheme for Social Revolutions, peer teaching, major and minor schemes, etc. In continuation to this, he has also captivated the attention of the students and parents, informing that GHRCE pioneers in implementation of the new education policies through execution of Capstone Project, a multidisciplinary real-time project and project-based learning where one course will be taught through PBL in current semester. Professor Rupali Thete, Associate Dean, first year, gave important instructions, and Dr. Nalini Vaidya, Assistant Professor, first year, proposed the vote of thanks. The faculties teaching to first year engineering department, who are committed to a strong group effort, have worked as a team to ensure this orientation program accomplishes its objectives as planned. Moving on to the last news. NSS volunteers of GHRCE Nagpur visited Matoshri Old Age Home Adasa to celebrate Diwali. Everyone celebrates grand festival Diwali at their home, but some unattended classes of the society doesn't celebrate Diwali due to some special reasons. National Service Scheme Cell of GHRCE College of Engineering Nagpur identified such class and thought to celebrate Diwali with them. They identified old age people in old age home to celebrate Diwali. These old age people do not celebrate this grand festival Diwali because of their personal problems at their own home. So, NSS cell selected Matoshri Old Age Home Adasa District, Nagpur to visit and celebrate. And all 33 volunteers and 2 faculty members visited the place. 2 students had brought the Diwali Farad for all people present therein. The celebration was started with the introduction of oral welcome of staff and students by Mr. Pradeep Chandan Batwe, Manager Old Age Home. Then the preamble and the wishes were given by Dr. Mangesh Porkar, NSS PO GHRCE. He stated the importance of Diwali celebration and the feeling of today's young students towards this ignored class of society. Mr. Pradeep then urged all young students to be inspired with this present situation, feel the sorrow of the old age home people, and appeal them to take a lesson from this count of old age home and spread the message to society that not to let old age people from their own home. Then Ms. Sharvari Dhote and Ms. Pooja Madankar, NSS President, given Diwali wishes and given promises to all the people to keep all these thought in mind for them in their next and pass on to the next generation. All students who took part in the celebration and distributed the Diwali Farad to all old people. Students also communicated with all old age people and listened their queries, their feelings and emotions. Students sensitized due to visit and feel the sorrow and problem of old age people. They performed dance and singing with the old granny and grandpas there. The activity was well coordinated by Dr. Mangesh Porkar, NSS Head, and Professor Swapna Chaudhary under the able guidance of Dr. Sachin Thamle, Director GHRCE Nagpur. News is news, but activity is what, the event is what. It gives the turbulence for the entire institute to move ahead. We are ending this year on a pinnacle, but we promise you that we'll again start to inspire many with GHRCE News Desk. So until we meet next, take care. Thank you.